guys, we got some more on the 66 here. So, got the floor plan all welded in. Still got one little patch I got to cut out and do here. So I didn't quite weld all the way down. And got to create that little piece of kind of angle iron in there to tie it back to the side of the truck. Got the cab mount and everything in. Just got to drill up through to locate the hole and then put the big washer on. Next we got to do the strip on this side in the cab corner, and then yeah, on this side over here we still got to do the rocker too, so got to cut the rocker out of that other truck and put it on here. Started stripping the trim that off of it, and found some nice surprises in the fender wells. Yeah, it's galvanized tin. So I got to cut all that out. Lots of work on the door to do too. Reskin this lower corner. Literally had quite a bit in there. Yeah, she's coming along pretty good. At least the cab's getting more sturdy now, so. Kind of see that bit of a complex curve in there too, eh? You can see the two lines. One right here, one right here. There. Then you got to put the dimmer switch in that back in and fix up the bottom of that panel a little bit. Lots of work left to do yet, but it's coming. Yeah. Got to get the gas tank out too. I think there's a repair to do on it. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. Just this and the rocker to do on this side. And she should be, this side of the cab should be done. Put the door back on, but old girl's pretty rusty, so it's going to be a lot of work. Cool old Uga horn. You know, for how old this thing is, it really does run like a top. Got some work on the bed to do too. The boards are all rotten. Have to cut that stuff out. Replace it. This is the old rocker here. There's not much left of her. See the stale old fuel from the tank. It's just a black grease. Then on the door here, got to shave out these for the original mirror. I'm going to run these smaller ones that the truck had on it. Yeah. Got the seat all unbolted too, so take it out to get to the tank. Inside of the truck's not too bad. It's all pretty well original.